Today is Wednesday, the 23rd, and we're going to use promo code 4772, and this is going to be for a 2024 commercial splitter. I always spec my stock items that are splitters with the auto cycle and fast split on them. The 2024 does cycle back and forth in about 7 seconds. Does have a log lift on it, does have a hydraulically adjustable wedge, and the reason that I prefer the 2024 over the 1324, electric start is standard and the auxiliary fuel tank is standard. When you're in that 1324, you just deal with that little tank that's up on top of the single cylinder motor. But with the 2024, you get the bigger auxiliary fuel tank. So normal retail price on this one with a 6-way is going to be $19,750. Again, we're going to give you that 10% off just like the manufacturer, so we'll give you a savings of $1,975. The adjusted sale price is $17,775. I'm going to go ahead, because I'm crazy, give you an additional $1,000 and $1,025 off to give us an even $3,000 worth of savings on this 2024 auto cycle fast split 6-way splitter. Give you the crazy price of $16,750. So this one's not going to last. I actually have this unit built. It is in stock in Wisconsin. I can throw this on a pallet, figure out what the shipping is, get you an adjusted invoice, and ship it out ASAP. So do not hesitate on this one. This is actually something that is in stock today. So 833 splitter, that's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Hit the like and subscribe, and stay up to date, especially this week.